So guys, it's me again, and today I'm gonna be showing you this one of the best pranks to put on your parents as a child. Okay, so I think the blow dryer is on. Let me see. No, está acá. No, I'm not sure. Come on. Okay. I was thinking of doing it on this one. So we don't know how we're gonna do it on my sister's room, or I don't know.
Yeah, it's on our mom's room.
Okay. Okay. Turn on the lights. Yeah. Okay. So you guys would want us to get a blow dryer. You guys can see here. Blow dryer. So that's what you guys would want for the first part. Okay. Then you guys would want some flour.
You can also use baby powder.
Yeah, baby powder.
Don't be farting the baby stuff now. I'm burping.
Okay. Then what you será? Les doy en un lugar.
Okay. El peinador.
Okay.
Tú le pones.
No, tú. Okay. Let me see. So you guys want is the blow dryer, how I said. Do it in the sala. Okay, so we're gonna have to go to the living room to do it. No, it's more messier there.
No, it is. I barely cleaned it up.
Okay.
Okay, don't put the baby. Put the flour. You do the blaming.
Huh?
You do the blaming.
I'm not gonna blame it on myself. Okay, so you guys would want is to put the baby powder in. My birthday gift. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough.
Cuida esto.
Okay, then you guys have to make sure that there wouldn't be any mess.
Oh, can you clean up that, please?
Okay, so we got all of this prepared. So so this is part 1, okay? And we're gonna be doing part 2 like when my mom uses it to go to a party. You know what I mean? Now I don't know if there's enough light in the living room. Okay. So I'm gonna go clean up the powder, the flour. Okay.
Just turn it out there. I'll be waiting on the street room. Then we gonna test it out.
Okay. Sorry, I cleaned it up. Like this. Now watch me clean. Watch me nene. Watch me clean. Watch me nene. You what? What it is? Now watch me clean. Watch me nene. Now watch me clean. Watch me nene. Ooh, watch me. Watch me.
Come on.
Ooh, watch me. Okay. We're gonna do a chest right now. So where do you want to do it? Living room. Why in the room? Don't come later. Let's do it over. Okay. So we're gonna do it in my sister's room. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna give. This is all gonna be your fault. Why don't you even have her lamp?